Welcome back to Coachtrimmers. Today you join me to have a look at the work that we're going to carry out on this Ferrari 308 GTS. This car has come to us with a largely original but tired interior, and the owner would like to see a slight update to some of the design along with a full interior retrim using all the correct materials from the period. I hope you enjoy watching the team work through this, and then we'll catch up at the end and I'll just run you through what we've been up to and a couple of the changes that we've made. You join me back in the car now that the team have completed the project. Hope you've enjoyed watching them work through the interior of this car. I'm just going to run you through what we've been up to. So dash, headlining, doors, carpet, centre console, all as original using the correct Connolly leather, the correct vinyls and the correct carpet, along with new rubber heel mats. We've also fitted an uprated stereo to this car. It's got a nice period look but has modern functionality. And we've also upgraded the speakers to match. The owner of this car wanted to see the Daytona style seats, so we've done that to the original seats but with the correct Daytona strips. And then he also wasn't massively keen on the big carpeted rear wall panel, especially with the black interior. So we've fitted a sort of Dino style fluted rear panel in the Connolly leather, and it just gives the cabin a really nice feel and adds a bit more depth and character to it. Really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you've got any comments, questions, drop them below or please get in touch. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a like and maybe think about subscribing. Look forward to bringing you another video soon.